Welcome to our channel. Activating a Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16 provides the convenience of a digital SIM card without needing a physical one. Let's get your eSIM activated quickly. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone 16 is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery charge before starting the activation process. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 16 and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 3. Tap Add Cellular Plan to begin the eSIM activation process. Your iPhone will search for available plans. Step 4. If you have a QR code from Verizon, scan it using your iPhone's camera. Alternatively, enter the activation details manually. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your Verizon account information and verify your identity. Step 6. Wait while your iPhone activates the eSIM. This process usually takes a few minutes, so be patient. Step 7. Once activated, you can label your cellular plan with a custom name like Verizon or Personal for easy identification. Step 8. Test your connection by making a call or sending a text message to ensure everything is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.